Hello Gemini, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for Gemini, July the 1st and July the 3rd reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, and comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading sa akin, check niyo rin po ang Babaylan TV. Yun po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audiences. At nagla-live din po tayo doon sa Babaylan TV. So kung gusto niyo pong sumali, no? You're very much welcome. So Gemini, I want you to know that this is a general reading. So you may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. So Gemini, simulan na natin, no? Wow, I feel like medyo bakit tayo natatakot sa takbo ng relasyon natin, no? I feel like sabihin natin dito na hindi natin alam kung saan papunta yung relationship. Medyo blurred na, no, ang sabihin nating vision, no? Although, hindi naman sinasabi dito na ah, sarado, no? Itong pinto ng ating pag-ibig, hindi rin natin alam kung gaano ka-open, no, si person sa mga sinasabi nating outside factor or possible third parties, no? Wala namang third party so far. So far, hindi ko siya nakikita kasi nakataob pa yung baraha. Pero kumbaga medyo nag-aalangan tayo kasi parang nararamdaman natin dito is si person parang hindi siya ganun kaseryoso ngayon when it comes to the relationship. Merong talagang sabihin nating nabago, no? May mga nabago sa kanyang pag-uugali, may nabago sa kanyang routine, no? I feel like medyo nakikita mo na meron siyang mga excuses, no, ngayon. Unlike before na sobrang focused siya, no? With the King of Cups and the Three of Wands. So, ang nakikita ko dito, Gemini, no, with the King of Cups and the Three of Wands, parang ang hirap din makausap ni person. At saka parang meron siyang mga inaantay na either tawag, may inaantay na kung ano. There are things na probably palagi din siyang nawawala. Palagi nagpapaalam, may pupuntahan lang. Um, Whether tinatrack mo man o hindi, no? Lalo na sa hindi tinatrack, no? Para kasing nakakakaba kung saan siya nagpupunta. It felt like there's also something in here na laging gising sa madaling araw or umuwi na ng madaling araw, no? Itong si person. Limited ang mga information na sinasabi niya sa'yo. So, um, I think palagi rin tayong, kumbaga, inaantay ang kanyang tawag, inaantay ang kanyang update, doon sa mga mag-asawa, inaantay siyang dumating, no? Medyo nalilate si person. Ayaw mo mag-isip, and that's okay kasi you might go dive deep into overthinking, and I think that is not going to help. Um, with the Ace of Pentacles and the Six of Cups, so yung iba sa inyo, nandiyan nga si person, no? Pero nami-miss nyo naman siya. Nami-miss nyo siya dahil kumbaga ngayon hanggang tingin lang kayo, no? Hindi kayo masyadong sabihin natin engaged sa isa't isa, no, lately. With the Ace of Pentacles in here, uh, I think na meron kang mga plans also to bring back the passion, no, to catch a person's attention. Pero hindi mo alam kung mag-work. I think that you are much rather wanting to wait, for your person to have this enlightenment para, makabalik naman siya doon sa dati niyang gawin, no? Uh, with the strength, I feel like, and when it comes to courage, I feel like you are really in a challenging situation. Um, and things are piling up, no? Parang feeling ko hindi lang itong relationship mo with your person ang problema, no? There's also something in here na sabihin natin, um, you're trying to figure things out, parang kung paano ba kumawala sa ganitong estado, no, ng pamumuhay. Probably we are also having some personal issues, whether it is finances, whether it is career, no, um, job related. So it felt like one at a time, pero medyo nakakapagod na nga, no? I think that the universe is also telling you na medyo kumapit-kapit lang tayo, no? And huwag tayong bibitaw, lalo na sa pinagdadaanan natin ngayon. It may be hard for now, pero ang sinasabi dito, hindi mo naman kailangan magmadali, no? 'Pag napapagod puwedeng magpahinga, 'no? Wala naman tayong competition. With the Knight of Cups, bagalan natin ng konti. Ano, um, I feel like medyo din nakikita mo hindi na gano'n ka-smooth ang sailing ng relationship, 'no? Um, Siguro din meron tayong part dito na 'wag natin din madaliin si person. I think that the issues in here also is a fear of not committing, no? Your person might not commit. Yun yung sigurong isa sa mga sinasabi nating challenges, no, na medyo naaano natin sa sarili natin. Yung takot na nakikita natin sa relasyon as well. With the Phoenix in here, I love the Phoenix. Actually, wala naman to, no, sa traditional tarot card. This is an extra card. Um, and the Phoenix signifies, the Phoenix signifies after the war, after the burn, no? Kasi Phoenix is rising from the ashes. Um, Kumbaga sa movie, no? Nandun tayo sa peak, right after the peak, no, nandun kasi yung climax, nandun yung sinasabi nating mga aksyon, no? Pero at the end of the day, the phoenix will arise. Kumbaga, muling sisibol, muling sisilang, no? Itong relationship na ito into much deeper and much committed, no, na relasyon. I think you'll be putting the connection into another level of um, relationship with the Nine of Cups and the Page of Wands. So I think medyo wag nating stressin ang ating sarili with the Nine of Cups. Kasi Nine of Cups, Nine of Cups signifies a wish fulfillment, no? So whatever it is that you're wishing, it is going to happen with a Page of Wands. I feel like, as you can see, you might be in a tunnel, but you're seeing the light. So, um, I think that there is a solution, resolution, no, reconciliation for those who are in separation. All you just need to do here is to also trust the process, no, yung takbo ng connection na ito. Um, yes, we might find it difficult when it comes to being separated with our person who doesn't, right? Pero ang nakikita ko kasi dito is that path needs to happen for your person to appreciate you, your connection, your importance, no? So I think that the more message in here na yung gustong i-point out ng energy is mas gugustuhin mo bang inconstant yung flow or kahit fluctuating yung flow pero nandun naman kayo sa hindi mo na feel na you're being appreciated, no? Or it may be a pause for a little while, pero pag kumbaga in repair, no, in renovation, no, kasi may sira, and things needs to be closed para maayos mabuti and things will be opened up again, no, um, for more smooth, transactions, mas maganda, no, yung ambience, no, mas na-fix yung mga sira, no. Sometimes things really need to happen this way. And I think dito natin masasabi na sometimes the separations can be a blessing, ano? So this is your reading for now, Gemini. Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. Uh, I'm seeing this might be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. Leo, Pisces, Scorpio, Cancer, Taurus. Yeah, so this is your reading. Let's check no kung ano ang inner thought ni person para sa iyo. Ano nga ba ang inner thought ni person para kay Gemini? Inner thought ni person para kay Gemini. Time will tell, no? I think katulad ng sinasabi ko dito, meron namang, kumbaga, your person is also telling you that you are already secured. I think we need this time to separate, or I need time for myself, no? Dadating din tayo sa panahon na we will be in a smooth sailing relationship, no? So, keep on holding. Probably your person's also, sabihin natin, hindi niya rin alam kung anong gagawin sa buhay as of the moment. So, they also want you to hold on. I think that this energy is more of you holding into something that's you might not know na um, the outcome, but it's much better to give it a good fight rather than letting it go, no? So don't be afraid of the unknown. So this card is a message from your guardian angel, universe, spirit guides, higher self, no, whatever you want to call it. Make it your mission to accept all parts of you. The good and what you perceive to be your imperfections. Don't look for any outside validation. It's already within you. Once you realize your true beauty and potential, you will never doubt yourself again. So it felt like the fear. I think that this is the insecurity that's popping, no? Um, yes, we may have some struggles and trust issues with our past relationship. Um, but I think that those burdens um, kind of parang sabihin natin, nabitbit natin dito sa karelasyon natin ngayon. So, do not belittle yourself that you are unworthy, no? Do not also think na ipagpapalit ka. Wala naman akong nakikita, no, na third party like what I mentioned. Um, Time is the ultimate storyteller, yun nga ang sabi nila. Kaya antayin lang natin dahil magkakaroon din ng realization si person, no? That they need to put the connection into another level, especially the Nine of Cups is here, no? So this is your reading, Gemini. Again, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto nyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, nasa kabilang channel po yun. That is Babaylan TV. No, yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. At kung gusto nyo pong sumali sa live sessions, nandun din po yan sa kabilang channel, Babaylan TV. no? Pwede po kayong magtanong. Pwede rin naman, kung hindi nyo yun naaabutan, pwede kayong magtanong dito sa YouTube video, no? As long as the question is answerable by yes or no. No? Pero kung feeling nyo, hindi po kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no na sagot lang, sa description box po, no, there is a link. All you have to do is to either copy the link or click the link. You will be routed to my website. Nandun po lahat ng information, how much per question. Nandun din po yung modes of payment, no? And I also have a promotion of 4 questions plus 1, so take advantage of it. At kung gusto nyo rin pong mag-avail ng ating private reading, nandun din po yan sa ating description box. So Gemini, this is your reading. Love and light to you. Namaste. And see you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye.